Through the highs and the lows, we have persevered to get to this point. We have learned that to succeed is not to be a success, but more importantly, that to fail is not to be a failure.
I have been working at this for 6 years now and working full-time and studying part-time, so it just feels absolutely amazing.
When I came to Australia from Sri Lanka, my only goal was to graduate in my degree, so I'm really excited to be here.
And I graduated last year, but I didn't get to come to the ceremony because it was postponed, so I'm like double excited for the ceremony, and I have worked and I have seen like the value of the effort that I put in, so yeah, I'm pretty happy.
So I take great pleasure in welcoming you and in congratulating you wholeheartedly on your achievements. In doing so, I also acknowledge with gratitude the family and friends whose love and support have helped bring you to this milestone in your lives.
Yeah, definitely mum and dad, my brother, definitely the teachers who helped us through. It wasn't easy, but it was good fun, and they definitely made it a good journey.
Definitely my family and my partner Connor all the way. When you are up late writing an assignment and you give it to them to proofread at midnight for them to hand it in the next day, or whether you just want to lay in bed all day and they don't let you anymore, or they force you to go out to your lectures, always supporting and always pushing to keep going.
Let this day, therefore, not be the end of our journey, but the beginning. Thank you, and congratulations to us all.